Hello everyone, my name is Ellie. Today we will read a book, Color Blindness. So let's get started. Color Blindness, written by Gerald Refsender. Focus question: what causes color blindness, CVD, and how can it affect a person's life? What colors do you see? Imagine looking at a box of crayons, seeing only shades of gray, blue, and yellow. That's what they look like to many people who have color blindness or CVD, color vision deficiency. Most people with CVD can still see some colors. They just see the world a little differently than other people. Where do colors come from? One light has every color of the rainbow hidden inside it. Each color is a different wavelength. Things appear to be different wavelengths of light. A strawberry looks red because it reflects red wavelengths while absorbing most others. How color vision works. People see colors because our eyes respond differently to different wavelengths of light. When light enters one of your eyes, it gets focused on the retina. The retina is a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eyeball. The light triggers rod cells and cone cells. These cells send signals to the brain, which uses the signals to make images. Rods and cones. Rod cells are the most sensitive cells in your retina. They let you see in very low light. However, they can't tell different colors apart. Cone cells handle color vision. There are 3 types of cone cells. One type absorbs blue light, one green light, and one red light. Combining these 3 main colors allows us to see thousands of colors. When one or more types of cone cells aren't working though, CVD results. Color vision in animals. Most animals can see fewer colors than humans. For instance, dogs can only see shades of blue and yellow, and bulls cannot see red. Other animals, including some birds, bees, and butterflies, see more color than humans do, including wavelengths of light that are invisible to humans. Different types of CVD. Red-green CVD. People with red-green CVD have trouble telling red and green apart. This is the most common type of color vision problem. It affects about 1 out of every 12 men and 1 out of every 200 women. People with red-green CVD usually have something wrong with their green cone cells. As a result, green and yellow objects appear reddish in color. Sometimes red-green CVD is caused by a missing or damaged red cone cell. In this case, red, orange, and yellow objects appear green or black. Blue-yellow CVD. Blue-yellow CVD happens when blue cone cells are missing or not working properly. This type of CVD is fairly rare. It's only found in about 1 out of every 10,000 people worldwide. Unless red-green CVD is equally common in men and women. Complete CVD. Complete CVD is the most serious type of CVD. It happens when a person has problems with 2 or 3 types of cone cells. People who are missing several types of cone cells tend to be very sensitive to light. They may also have difficulty seeing clearly, especially in bright light. This is because they rely on rod cells for most of all of their vision. Rod cells only work in low light. About 1 in 30,000 people worldwide are missing all 3 types of cone cells. People without any working cone cells only see shades of black, white, and gray. The challenges of CVD. People with CVD may face some challenges. For example, they may have trouble reading maps. Children with CVD may have challenges with some classwork. CVD can also cause safety issues. Fire hydrants and emergency equipment are often colored red or yellow to make them more visible. People with CVD may not notice bright colors that stand out to those with full color vision. CVD may affect a person's choice of career. Some jobs, such as airplane pilots, require full color vision. Others, such as photographer, can be more challenging with CVD. Still, people with CVD can usually succeed at almost any job. Testing for CVD. Doctors use several types of tests to find out if a person has CVD. One test uses images made up of dots that are different sizes and colors. People with full color vision can see numbers or shapes inside the picture. People with red-green CVD may have trouble spotting the hidden symbols. Tools to help people with CVD. So far, doctors can't cure CVD. However, many new tools can help people deal with CVD. Smartphone apps can do tasks such as identifying colors and picking colors that go together. These apps can help people choose matching clothes or tell which fruits are ripe at the grocery store. Researchers have also created high-tech sunglasses that filter out specific wavelengths of light. The sunglasses make it possible for people with red-green CVD to tell the 2 colors apart. Treating CVD. Scientists recently worked around red-green CVD in squirrel monkeys. The monkeys lacked red cone cells. As a result, they couldn't tell the difference between red and green. Researchers were able to insert the missing yen into cells in the monkey's eyes. Within about 20 weeks, the monkey could tell the difference between red and green dots. People who want full color vision may soon be able to get it. Living with CVD. CVD is fairly common and usually not a serious problem. Detecting CVD early can help people understand and adjust to what they are seeing. Most people with CVD get along just fine. They may see the world a little bit differently, but that doesn't stop them from having rich, fulfilled livings. Thank you for watching. Bye.